Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little rough, but you know we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that in the end. Alright, so today I am going to be showing you guys, I did a little mini Anastasia Beverly Hills haul today at the Impulse Beauty in Macy's. I just have been really wanting their eyeshadows, so I got some of the single, everybody has been doing the, the palettes that have been coming out, but I really wanted to get some of their single eyeshadows. So I got a total of 8 shadows today, so I am going to be doing, since it's spring, I wanted to do a series of nude looks. So today is going to be the first look of my nude series, and I think I'm going to keep it like more of like a neutral brown kind of look. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking like a soft glam, but y'all know sometimes we get heavy-handed and we may end up with a smoky glam. So I don't know yet, but I'm thinking of a soft glam. So for today, it's gonna be nude. It's all about that nice, beautiful, that nice, soft, shimmery, the golden tones, the pink tones, everything that makes you think of spring. So that's what we are going to try to achieve today. I may hop into some other colors, but today it's gonna be just all about my little haul from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I also got 2 lip colors. The first lipstick in the color Peachy and the second one in the color Staunch, and I'm going to be using the 2 of these today, so you will see them when I take them out to do my lips. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's get this look started, shall we? Alright, so first things first, my skin is extremely dry. So we just went through this whole cold front situation and my baby needs some hydration. So first things first, I am going to go in with the Caudalie Paris, the Beauty Elixir. So I am going to spray this all over my face and then I will go in with my moisturizer. So I'm going to saturate my face. Then I am going to moisturize with my Embryolisse. This is my favorite moisturizer. It is so moisture rich. I absolutely love it. So I am going to just really get in there. Much better. Alright, so now that our face is moisturized, we are going to go in. I want to use the primer just in my T-zone area to blur my pores, honey, because as I get older, these pores are getting larger and I do not appreciate it. So one of my favorite primers is the Mineral Primer by Youngblood. This is such an amazing blurring primer, and as you can see, I am almost out. So I need to order some. You can get it off of Amazon. I will post the link below, but this is one of my absolute favorite primers out there. So I'm going to put a little bit right under the eye. Make sure my T-zones are covered. It's a silicone based primer. Blurred immediately. Yes, honey. So since I want a nice warm, I would say highlighted look, I don't want anything too matte, I am actually going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. I am going to put this on the apples of my cheeks, down the center of my nose, everywhere I would highlight normally, I am going to underpaint. And this is in the color Oyster. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put, we're gonna put some here, on the nose, the forehead. We're gonna add a little bit more. Alright, so once that's on, I am going to take a flat foundation brush and I'm just gonna blend that into the skin. Today I see is going to be all about Anastasia Beverly Hills. So like I said, I just want to give my skin that extra oomph, that extra glow. We want to be cute. So you can see that glow, that nice soft glow that's coming through. So now once that's there, we are going to go in with our foundation. So I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing that with my Dior Skin Star. The NARS is a little bit too warm for me, so I'm going to mix that down with my Dior. Alright, so we're going to take this black beauty sponge, and yes, we're going to work that into the skin. Just going to pounce. So I'm noticing like on film it's looking a little yellow, but we're gonna fix that with a little bit of, you know, correction with our, when we highlight and when we contour. Alright, so going in with this Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage, I am going to go in with this cool color right there. I'm going to take a Real Techniques, this is like a concealer brush. It's a 3-angle concealer brush. I'm going to try to extract what's left in there, because honey, we need help. Alright, so now I am going to blend. So I'm going to start with my chin. Now what I love about this concealer is that it's a cream to powder consistency. So for me, it just blends so beautifully. I don't really get creasing from this concealer, which is like, hello, #1 preference, no creasing. The Laura Mercier blended very well, brought some balance back to the skin. So now we're gonna have to contour with a cool dark brown, so we could just bring some red back into the skin, because it's too much yellow right now. So we're color correcting as we go, okay? So I think I'm gonna color correct with my Black Opal. This is the Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation, and the color is Carob. And I am just going to do a little bit of contouring. Alright, so now we're going to blend. We're going to take the base of our Beauty Blender, and we are just going to pounce, pounce, pounce. And let all of those colors blend seamlessly and beautifully together. I'm going to take a Real Technique setting brush, going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to set the forehead. And I can still see that underpaint, that oyster from ABH. I can still see that coming through, which is good. That's what we want. Pull by looking up and set. And I'm going to set underneath the contour. Alright, so I highlighted my brow bone off camera, and we are going to get straight into this look. So the first color I am going to dive into is the color Carmel. They're still in these little plastic containers. So this is the first color I'm going to dive into, and I am going to go in with a MAC 224 brush with this eyeshadow right here, and I am just going to start sweeping that into my crease. Y'all know I like to use a powder puff just in case I need to pull my skin tight. Next, I'm going to go in with Sienna, and I'm going to focus this right into the crease. With Carmel, I went up a bit, but right here, we're going to focus this right into the crease. All right, next color I am going to go in is I'm going to go into Brick. Taking the 224 brush by MAC, and I'm just going to blend. Alright, so I want a little bit more depth. So I'm going to go in with, my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. And I'm going to go in with Oud, which is this dark color right here. And I'm going to put that in the crease as well. Going in with Brick with the same brush. And I'm gonna lightly sweep Brick over that. Going in, oh, this is so dried out. Going in with Soft Ochre by MAC, we are going to just carve out a nice little, we're gonna cut out a crease. Let's see if we can get this done. The first color I'm going to go in with is the color Sunset. Then I'm going to spray this with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And we are going to go in with the next Anastasia Beverly Hills color, which is Golden Copper. We're going to go into the center of those two colors. So then I'm going to take this flat, I guess this is like a shader brush. I'm going to spray this. And then I'm going to go in with Amber at the very top of that cut crease. And Amber is a very neutral color. Alright, going back in with our 217 brush, we are going to take a little bit more Oud by Huda Beauty, and we are going to just really blend and smoke that crease out. So those colors can be blended seamlessly. Alright, so my face is set. And now I am going to highlight. I am going to use Gold Deposit. And then I am going to go over that Gold Deposit with Show Gold. Both of them are by MAC. So I just want that to pop. And then I'm going to put a tip. My highlight is applied, and now I am going to mix these two blushes by Inglot. Alright, so let's get our lips done. So today I will be using the matte lipstick by Anastasia Beverly, darling. And let's see. This is the color Staunch. This is our first nude color. I really like it. And I am going to be mixing that with Peachy. So here are the two of them side by side. They're really close. So we're gonna do a nice ombre look. I'm gonna line my lip with actually two pencils. I'm gonna go in with Nutmeg by NYX. And then I'm gonna go over it with this aqua color by Makeup Forever that has been deceased because I can't see the name. Alright, so we're gonna go in with Staunch first. And then we are going to go in with Peachy. Gonna lighten it up in the middle. Ooh. That is so pretty. The formula of these lipsticks feel really good. Alright, so to finish the look off, we are going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, my beauties, so here is the final look. I did a finger coil twist on Facebook Live tonight. Then I used a diffuser to add a little bit of volume, but I'm not sure. I like volume when it comes to my hair, and this is not volume enough for me. So I'm gonna give it a few days, maybe a day or two, and see if it puffs up a little bit more. That way I can work with it some, because I like the middle of my hair to really stand out. So I'm gonna work with it a little bit more, let it stand out. If it doesn't stand up in another 2 days, I'm gonna wash it, because yeah, I need some volume on my head and it looks a little weird. But it was the first time, so it's okay, but definitely not what I'm going for. So you guys, this is look 1 for our spring nude series. Next week we'll be back with another look. Let me know if you guys want me to try any other products or suggest some colors for our spring nude look. Alright guys, so until then, have a beautiful day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified when we have a new video on the channel. So until next time, you guys, stay beautiful. Bye.